hotter on the road today. Ooh. The shift pattern is challenging. It's the craziest shifter I have ever used. So instead of the shifter rocking back and forth, you actually pull it in and out in the gates. Seems like it's going to need a little fine tuning, but we're running cool. We've got good oil pressure. Up the hill. But I definitely consider it an honor that I'm driving a Morgan. That's for sure. So for a British car buff like myself, I think this might be the holy grail for British cars. I've driven Rolls Royces, but you can keep them. I like little cars. But a Morgan, this is special. Temp gauge. I'm happy with that. What do you think, Robbie?
It's actually good. I like it. It's sporty. It's fun.
It's a very interesting car.
Yeah, it definitely has a kick to it.
Yeah, it's a 67, but we're really driving a British car from the 50s, honestly.
Yeah.
You know, it's still built like it was in the 50s. Half this thing's made out of wood. So it's got wood framework with metal attached to it. It sounds nice, it runs good, it's clear enough. Yeah, I'm really happy with it.